Good afternoon. This is Keith. This is May the 9th, 2024. We're going to try to shoot a little bit of video. Come back from vacation. Going to try with a different camera this time rather than using the phone. So we'll see how well this works out. Did an inspection. These are the two east side hives. As you can see, number one is the taller one on the right. It is moving quite well. They've kept a lot of honey in the second super, but they weren't building up in the honey supers at all. Moved frames around a little bit, took out the queen excluder, and we're hoping for the best. I took out all the queen excluders today. The one on the left is the one that we just put the new nuke in. It is doing real well. There's about 5 frames of brood, another frame of 2 of larvae, and they are moving up well into the second brood box. They are building out comb quite well. I think they're well on their way. Both of these boxes are doing great. So things are moving up. They are putting away a ton of nectar in every box. My concern is they're not building out enough frames, and they're going to get honey bound, which is not a good thing this early in the season. Alright, here we are on the west side. The box on the left is the new nuke that we put in. Just like the east side, they're putting away a lot of nectar from all the sources in the neighborhood. They have about 5 or 6 frames of brood, some uncapped larvae in the top box, and quite a bit of capped honey they're getting already. The top box is just a frame feeder, so but they're doing pretty good. They're moving up. They're not building out frame as fast as they need to, but that's the way it is. The box on the right, as you can see, has 3 deep supers on it. I was trying to do a demo ray, but the bees didn't want to. They did it their own way. They didn't move up into the honey supers at all. They just started putting honey in the second box and the third box. So they are expanding, but it looks like they swarmed again. The numbers are way down. I did find a open queen cell, so they've got a brand new virgin queen, if they've got a queen at all. They are pretty calm, so I'm assuming they have one. I did not see any larvae, but there were several frames of capped brood, so we'll just have to watch it for another week or 2 and see what happens from there. That box has swarmed twice now, so I don't have a whole lot of faith in it. It just doesn't seem to want to grow. It just wants to swarm, it seems. But we'll just keep going. They keep filling it up with nectar, and hopefully they'll have a queen before long that will get to do some expansion. They are moving in now. Got a lot of pollen in every box. A lot of nectar that they're putting up and drying. So I believe they'll be all right. Just not going to get the growth that I was expecting this year, but this is my first year. We'll just have to see how it goes. Thanks for watching.